Hey everyone, it's Anson here from Weekend Garage. Today I'll be showing you guys how to quickly pair your Homelink buttons, which are the ones that look like this, in your Ram truck, regardless of the year. This will work for garage remotes, valved exhaust remotes, even the Lutron smart home remotes. If you want to turn on or off your house lights before and after you come home, and many other kinds of remotes. If it doesn't work, send us an email. We have a converter that will make it work with your Homelink. So if you guys haven't done so already, a benefit of doing this, besides convenience, is for security. If you guys are leaving this clipped to your sun visor and you park outside, someone can just break your window and use this to gain entry into your house. Or if they break into your truck and gain access to your insurance documents, they'll find your address. They'll steal this garage door opener and they can open up your house without even getting your key or climbing in your window. If you have a program to your vehicle, to your Homelink, your truck has to be ignition on, or you need the key in the vehicle and the accessory mode has to be on before opening the garage gate. First off, what you want to do is have your key inside the vehicle. Put it right there. Foot off the brake. And then we're going to hit the start button 2 times until it is in the run position right there. Make sure it's in the run position. After that, we're going to look up above. After your vehicle is in the run position, not the engine on, we're going to press number 1 and 3 at the same time. We're going to hold this until it blinks and flashes. That means all the existing codes have been cleared and it's ready for programming. So as you can see, when it begins to flash like that, you can release because all the codes saved previously have been cleared and now we're ready for programming. So now we're going to go ahead and grab the remote we want to program. In this case, this is our remote and the middle button is for the gate we want to program. So we're going to choose button number 1 because that's the one we want to program the button to. We're going to press it 1 time. When you press the button you want to program your button to, it'll begin to flash like so. When it begins to flash, that's when you know it's in programming mode and it's ready to receive a code from your remote. So now we're going to hold our remote. As you can see, it's flashing. Now that's flashing, it means it has synchronized the code and it has copied the signal from your original remote. Now the light should turn off if it's programmed successfully. So for the first method, if it's worked for you, you can press it and your garage will open right away. If it doesn't open, I'll show you guys the second method. So now we're going to go to our garage door motor. Now that we're looking at the learn button, yours could be yellow, purple, red, black, gray, but ours is yellow in this case, so we're going to press it once. Now within 30 seconds, we're going to hit the button on our newly programmed Homelink. So we're going to go to our original Homelink. Within 30 seconds, we're going to hold it. And you're going to hear a click and flash from your gate motor. Now it's completely programmed. If we hit this button, your gate should work like new. That is the second step. These are the only 2 steps on how to make your garage door motor work. So if for some reason your condo remote or some specialty remote that you can't get access to method 2 for, like you can't climb up to your condo and press the button on your condo garage because those commercial gates are built different, email us. We have converter remotes that can convert that signal onto a signal that your car can read, so you don't have to go through that second method process. Let me know if you guys got any questions. You can leave them down in the comments below or email us directly at weekendgarage@gmail.com. Feel free to subscribe for weekly videos that will help you out throughout your vehicle ownership. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.